Platforms like Google Docs and Google Sites are great to create what's called Hyperdocs, interactive digital documents designed to engage learners with multimedia elements and activities. Within these documents, this example given being a Google Doc, students can organize content with headings, embed multimedia, and also integrate interactive elements like quizzes and collaborative tasks. In this particular example, students are researching documented cases of the effects of radiation, chemicals, and/or viruses on heritable mutations in animals. They're then going to use this information to solve the problem of how to limit exposure to the environmental factors. I have opened a Google document here. I have put in the AKS as well as the tasks for students. As the teacher, I can push this document template to them in Google Classroom as well. And it doesn't have to be limited to a Google Doc. It can also be a Google site or a slideshow. But for all intents and purposes, we're going to use Google Documents here. Below the task and the AKS, I have inserted a table, or students could insert their own table or their own way of organizing information. There is an image of a folder which can be hyperlinked. One can just put in any image, right-click, and then click Insert Link. And now it's an interactive document that doesn't just contain hyperlinks, but it also contains hyperlinks with purpose and efficiency. These resources could be clickable for students to document the sites that they have used, the resources that they have used, all of the information that they have found. And another thing that you can do is link to other documents within your own Google Drive. Their final product, being the document, therefore shows the information that they found and the conclusions that they drew in any way that they want. This can be YouTube videos. This can be another file that includes YouTube videos, any kind of showcase of knowledge. Once they have things hyperlinked, they can then share this document with the teacher as they normally would. Instead of having 5 or 6 or 7 documents to share with the teacher, including all of these different aspects of their research and of their learning, they now have everything linked in one, making it interactive and a hyperdoc. When they are ready to tag those resources or tag other people or dates, they can go to Insert and use the Smart Chips feature. Smart Chips will allow them to look in their Google Drive, find any file, add people, add a calendar, add a place, add a date, add any of these Smart Chips available. This is also the same way they could add those folder pictures or any other images that they want to add. Perhaps maybe examples from the different chemical mutations and parts of their problem or the problem solving. Insert will allow them to add any kind of images, tables, create a drawing, or find a drawing, create a chart, link it up with a sheet, and really take advantage of all of the resources that can be put in one place in a hyperdoc.